Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a gift idea to share with you today. These are for my son's therapists, and it is an inexpensive gift idea that you can really use for anybody. So like a coworker, a neighbor, a friend, just anybody that you're on a budget for, and you know that's on your list that you want to get something for. Just keep on watching if you'd like to see everything that went into here and a breakdown of all the items inside. Hey guys, so I am going to show you what everything looked like before it went into that cello bag. So for one, like I mentioned, these are for my son's therapists, his speech therapist and his occupational therapist. For them, I like to give a gift around the $15 mark, since there are two of them. And then for his teacher and her assistants, I like to give a little bit more, but I'm hopefully going to have the teacher gift video up in the next couple weeks, fingers crossed. My son's teacher's assistants, I'm just giving Amazon gift cards, just keeping that real. So there's not going to be anything too exciting there, but I am going to do another video for my son's main teacher. But these are for his therapists. Everything here went into those bags. They each got essentially the same thing, and it was around $15. So I'm going to break everything down individually and show you what was in the final look, in the final bag. So these are some Everspring brand. This is from Target. I actually personally like this brand a lot. I've used their dish soap, their hand soap, and their all-purpose cleaner, and I haven't been disappointed. So these sold out pretty quick, at least in my local Target. They might have restocked, but I was lucky to grab these, I think the very end of October, around Halloween, when they were first putting like holiday sets out. But anyways, they were $5.99 each, so $6. This one is the holiday hand care set, pomegranate and cranberry. So it comes with a liquid hand soap and a hand lotion, and they both have a pump top. You can't see it because it's hidden, but it's a cute little set. I thought it was a great presentation for $5.99. And the other one is the same thing, the holiday hand care set, but this one is winter citrus and pine hand soap and lotion, again pump top set. So each therapist got one of these. All right, so let me break down everything else, kind of the smaller things in this cello bag. So I got a box of candy canes from Walmart. They're just like the Brock's brand. These are just raspberry. They came in a big box of like 12 or 18, so I just took one of them out for each of the therapists. These I actually found at the Dollar Tree. They're the Godiva Masterpiece Milk Chocolate and Caramel, I believe it looks like. So $1 each at the Dollar Tree. These chapstick sets I thought were just so cute. I found them on Amazon. They were like right around $3. I'll link them below. I always have my Amazon like gifting stuff and Amazon favorites in every video linked in the description box, in case you just want to check out some gift ideas for your own, you know, friends, family. But anyways, I ordered like 10 of these sets, literally. It's the Chapstick S'mores collection, and each set has graham cracker, marshmallow, and milk chocolate flavored or scented chapstick. So I ordered 10 just to disperse in different ways. So 2 of them are going into here. This is the just Polar Ice Eclipse gum. It's like a dual pack, dollar store as well as the chocolate. And then these Bolero face masks, they're also from the Dollar Tree. The brand is Bolero. I've actually used a few of their face masks. I have a few here to show you guys. These aren't going in here, but I've used this one before. It's the Orange Blossom and Lavender, and there is Pineapple and Aloe Vera. They're all $1 each. They're sheet masks from the Dollar Tree. And then this is a hair mask by John Frieda. It's called Wonder Drops Hair Mask. So these are just going to other people, but I just wanted to show you that there was a variety. So each lady is getting a facial sheet mask, and these are really nice masks, especially for $1. It's just an amazing price point, and they're really nice masks. And then each lady is getting a Wonder Drops Frizz smoothing hair mask. So that is everything that went into here. Super easy. No frills. I feel like, you know, this with a little Christmas card from Grady is just I don't know, it's just, I think it's a nice gift. I would love to personally receive it. I think that they're really going to enjoy it, and they never expect anything, but they're always happy whenever we bring them, you know, little treats and little gifts and stuff, which we try to do like for their birthdays and just different little holidays and stuff, just to make their day, you know, special. So I'm going to give you another look at what the final finished product looked like. P.S. These cellophane bags that I use, these are from Bath & Body Works. I've talked about this in many videos that are Bath & Body Works like hauls over the years. Whenever I go to Bath & Body Works to purchase anything, even if it's not a gift, I always ask for cello bags. They're free with a purchase, so they usually just give me like handfuls of them. So I have tons of them, but you can get them at like craft stores or probably like Amazon or eBay or something. They're just called like cello gifting bag. So just wanted to mention where I got these, because people usually ask me whenever I do a gifting video where I purchase them, and they're free from Bath & Body Works. Alright guys, so here's a final look. What I did was obviously put the set in the middle because it takes up, you know, a majority of the bag. And then for the presentation part, I just kind of put the chocolate, the chapstick, and the little candy cane in the front. Obviously things are going to wiggle around and move around. And then I did just put the hair mask on the side. I did this on both of them, so they looked pretty identical. And then on the back side, I just put the facial mask and the gum just to kind of make it fun. I mean, it's just a cute little goodie bag for anybody in your life, like I said. And I'm really happy with the way they came out. Nothing fancy. I just did a simple little piece of like regular old-fashioned, you know, what is this called? Like a ribbon? I don't even know if that's the right word, if there's another word for this stuff. But just a simple like knotted bow. I might go ahead and put these in these little gift bags. Obviously these are a lot taller, but I did test it out and the bag actually comes up to like here. So you can see just like the top sort of stem part sticking out. So I might go ahead and put them in a bag just so that I can put their names on them, even though they're essentially the same, minus the, you know, the two different scents inside. So I've just got these little gift bags here. I got these at TJ Maxx a long time ago in a set of 6. I think these are the last 2 I have. I keep a variety of different gift bags. Of course, Christmas gift bags would be great, but I actually don't have Christmas gift bags that will fit these properly. The bags I have are either too small or way too big. So size-wise, these seem to be the best option for, you know, presentation. So I might just go ahead and put them in there, and I might give gifts out early this year to anybody related to school or therapy, because we are, honestly, I think we're on the verge of another shutdown, like many other places, you know, across the country. So please stay safe out there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new here and you just stumbled upon this video, or you recently found my channel, I have an entire playlist of gift ideas, videos from over the years that I've done on my channel for all different price points, all different reasons. I just have a whole playlist. So I'll link that playlist down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. won't go